Hi, KOHLER here at HomePride. Today we're with a special guest. We have Austen Graver, the Installation Manager here at HomePride. Austen, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So we've got Austen here because we've had some questions recently asked by homeowners, and Austen, of course, is going to provide his years of experience in providing good answers. So, Austen, our first question that we had was from a homeowner who wanted to know, can she install a walk-in bath in the upper floor of her house? And if so, are there things that she should check?
To answer the question, yes, we can certainly install your walk-in baths on the upper floors. We do it on a regular basis. The biggest thing we have to look out for is tight pathways, stair impediments, and tight doorways. These can all be overcome, but just know that there's some extra work involved with those. Doorways need to be at least 28 inches wide, and pathways usually preferably 36. When we run into those areas that are less than that, we got to get a little creative, but we typically can get the job done.